Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a family favorite, Nasi Goreng with chicken and bacon. Easy, quick and full of flavor. Let's get started. First we make the spice paste. Chop the shallots, garlic and red pepper and grind into a smooth paste. Cut the chicken into cubes, season with salt and pepper and fry them golden brown in a hot wok. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Time for those delicious bacon bits. Fry them until crispy and set them aside. And in the same wok we now fry the spice paste and trussi. This smells fantastic. Keep stirring well so that the flavors are released. Now comes the most important thing, the rice. I prefer to use cooled rice that is a day old so that it becomes nice, dry and crispy. Add ketchup manis and nasi spices for that delicious Indonesian flavor. Time to bring everything together. Chicken, bacon and ham cubes go into the pan. Mix well. And nasi without an egg? No way. Make a fluffy omelette, cut it into strips and add it to the wok with the leek. And done. Serve with a fried egg and garnish with fresh spring onion. This is going to be delicious. And look at that. Crispy rice, juicy chicken, salty bacon bits and that perfect egg. You have to make this. And did you like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Homemade always tastes better.